In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a survey form in Wix. Unfortunately, since Wix doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you've clicked on the link, this is the page they're going to see. From here, I want you to go to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widgets button. Simply hover over it, and then you'll see this massive list of widgets that you can choose from. I want you to focus on the forms section right here in the middle, and then I want you to click on form builder. That will take you to the form builder widgets page. From here, click on this button that says create widget for free, and then you'll be taken down to the template section. Now, since we want to create a survey template, I want you to click on option number 2 right here. Now, bear in mind that it's located right here for me at the time of recording this video. With time, this may get shifted. As you can see, there's over 390 different templates they can choose from, so it may very well be in one of these categories or be pushed more to the right hand side here. But yeah, here is the survey form template. This is what it looks like. On the right hand side, you can test it around and see what it feels like in terms of functionality. Bear in mind that we can actually customize both its design and functionality in the next step that I'm going to show you in its entirety. So don't worry about its current design or layout or anything like that, because we can customize pretty much anything to do with it. So yeah, go ahead, choose the survey template right here, and then click on continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen, and you'll be taken to this page, which is where we can start customizing your survey form to your liking. So the first thing you want to do here is start setting up. So at the moment, there's 4 different fields here on the first page, and then there's some more personal information. As you can see, once I fill this in, I can go to next, and then it will take me to the second page, which is this one right here. So at the moment, if you just click on the first page here, these are all the fields that we see in the initial page. Let me just go back here. As you can see, they're the fields. How would you rate your experience with us? It's this one here, the 3-star or the 5 stars, and then number of options here. You can change it to 3 or to 5, whatever you like. You can also set conditional logic if you'd like to. In order to delete any of these fields, simply click on the 3 dots next to it, click on delete, and then it'll automatically be deleted just like that. To other field, click on that, and then choose one of the many fields that you see right here. Then click on done. Now, for the title here, of course, you can change this to whatever you want, and then set a description as well. The same goes for the personal information page. Lots of different fields that you can choose from. Set the description here, etc. If you want to add even more pages, then click on that page here, title the page, description, and then add all the relevant fields. And yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. It's very, very easy to set up. Then at the bottom here, you also see header, progress bar, buttons, footer, and success message. These are some more customizations that you can take advantage of to further customize your survey form. So for example, if we go to the header section here, this is what it looks like. So here we have the title, which is customer survey. You got the caption here. If you don't want this, you can of course disable it entirely. But yeah, you can add the cover image, a logo, and then design the alignment based on your needs. I'm not going to go for every single one because there's truly so many customizations they can take advantage of here. But once you're done with building out your survey form, on the left hand side, you also see email, layout, appearance, settings, and integrations. These are even more customization options that you can take advantage of to further customize the survey form. So as an example here, these are the different styles that you can choose from. And bear in mind that any change that you make on the left hand side will automatically reflect in real time on the right hand side as well. So you can see the changes that you are making. As you can see, very easy to change the color as well. The color scheme from light to dark. I'm going to change the background here from transparent to white, just so it stands out a little bit on my Wix website. Then click on done right here. But yeah, like I said, I'm not going to go for every single customization that you can take advantage of. I'll leave this up to you to explore. But once you're ready with customizing your survey form and you're ready to move forward, go ahead and click on add to website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. And then your survey form widget will be saved up, and you'll be taken to this page, which is where we need to publish the widget. In the top right corner of the screen, you will see this green publish button. Click on that, and then you automatically be taken to the plans page. This is what the plans page looks like, and what we need to do here is choose a plan. Now, since this is the first widget that we are creating through Elfsight, we can actually go for this plan right here, which is completely free. As you can see, it supports up to 1 widget for up to 200 views. So if you're just getting started, this might be the perfect plan for you. Do bear in mind that it comes with some Elfsight branding near the bottom. So if you don't want that, you could then obviously go for one of the premium plans right here. They're not only 100% ad free, but you can also add more than 1 widget on your Wix website from Elfsight. And in this case, the most basic one has 5,000 views. So basically 5,000 people can preview your widget per month instead of just the standard 200 for the free plan. And as you can see, they have loads of different plans that you can choose from. And if you decide to pay annually, you also get to save quite a bit of money as well, which is pretty nice. But yeah, go ahead, choose the plan that works best for you, and then you will automatically be taken to the page where you can copy the code for your survey form widget. It will look just like this. So from here, click on copy code, and then let's head over to Wix so we can start integrating it. Now, the first thing I want you to do is to go to your Wix editor and go on the page where you want your survey form added to. In my particular case, I want it on the home page and in this section right here. So I'm going to click on the section to highlight it, and then in the top right corner of the screen, you'll see this search button. Click on that, and in the search field here, I want you to search for HTML. Then once this loads up, underneath add to site, you will see embeds. Click on that. And then on the left hand side, you will see this window open up. Underneath popular embeds, I want you to click on the plus icon of the embed HTML button here. Click on that, and then this code block will be added to your Wix website. From here, make sure that it's set to code, and then simply paste the code we just copied previously from Elfsight. Click on update, and then all you have to do is simply resize the form to your liking. So in our case, it needs to be bigger. Bear in mind that you also want to account for the second page when you do this as well. Otherwise, you might get this scrolling functionality right here. Here is the little branding that I talked about that you get with the free plan. Let me just make this a little bit bigger, and then we can go ahead and preview the form and see what it looks like on our website. As you can see, super nice and clean, and also fully interactive. I can type in here, yes, click on next, and as you can see here, I am on the second page, and then you also get this little scroll here. Actually, it's not that big of a deal, to be honest. So yeah, you can have that. You don't want to make the form way too big unless you have a specific page just for the form itself. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to create a survey form in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.